नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पश्चात्तारिणी।
Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada wanted us to do Sankirtan. Sankirtan was one of the most highlighting things in ISKCON, where devotees would go out with books, prasadam, pamphlets, and so much information. Srila Prabhupada had so much vision towards Sankirtan. But over a period of time, I personally have attended Sankirtan in America, especially in Boston, in San Jose, and many other places, and I have learned a lot of things from the Sankirtan. One of the things I felt is the little difficulty that devotees feel while doing Sankirtan. 2-3 things. One is carrying a book table, carrying the books. They don't know where to keep the books, boxes. They don't know where to keep the prasadam. So many things are disparate and they are in different places. So one of the easiest ways I felt is to develop a small vehicle, which I call it as Sankirtan Utsav Vahan, SUV, right? So ISKCON Gachibowli SUV. I hope you like the name. Nothing patent about it, just sharing it. So in ISKCON Gachibowli here, we have created this small vehicle called Sankirtan Utsav Vahan, and it's called ISKCON Gachibowli SUV. And you can see, I'm going to just show what is there in this. So good thing is, one devotee takes everything and everybody others take the books and they go and they are busy giving the books and giving prasadam and everything. All the things are wrapped up and kept inside. As you can see, I'll start with the front. So here is a nice speaker. There is a place to keep the speaker as well. It is right fitted inside. Actually, it goes even more inside. And then we have a small, storage area in which you can keep your kartal, you can keep your mic system of the thing. Then you can keep some pamphlets, anything else, musical equipment you can keep. And you have a beautiful altar. Sri Radha Krishna, Gaur Nitai, all Panchatattva, and our Goswamis and Acharyas, everybody, we are taking the shelter. A small mandir you are carrying along with the Sankirtan van, as you can see. And there is a canopy on the top. Why? Because even if it rains or shines, we continue, right? And another thing, as you can come here, we have place to keep pamphlets. As you can see, there are different programs. So many programs we are going to do for people, and we are going to keep it here. Anybody can be removed a pamphlet and it can be given. Now here, we have a special place for keeping the books. As you can see, here, see the books inside. Nicely you can keep all the books, whichever books, all Prabhupada's books you can keep, and nicely keep it inside. And another best part, you can even serve prasadam here. Just remove, and here you go. You can serve prasadam as the vehicle is going, right? And then, come back, you can keep your scanner code, or where they can donate. And then, here is Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And I'll tell you another beautiful thing. You can lift this and make a nice table for yourself, right? This thing comes out and it becomes a table on both sides. As you can see, if I want to stop this at a place and create a table for myself, I just make this, and it's a 6 feet long table on which they can keep books. All the books can be kept for display, right? And another thing, storage, right? So you also have some storage below. Here you can store the drones and plates, and sometimes even extra prasadam you have. See how much has gone inside? It's a lot of stuff, right? You can keep all of this inside, and pamphlets also on the other side. Right? The simple small video just to tell you all that we can utilize our devotees' energy in a much more efficient way, where they are more bothered about how to give the pamphlets and explain about the pamphlets, explain about the books, than worrying about where to keep the boxes, where to keep the prasadam, how do we manage everything. Everything can be kept inside, and you can even lock it. Just maintain some small locks, numbering locks, just keep them inside, and the stuff remains inside, right? Next week, just open it and start taking it again, refill it and take it forward. So I hope you like this idea. Nothing patent about it. You can get it developed at your place. Just see this model, go to a good person who does building work, and he'll make it for you. It shouldn't cost more than, 25, 30, maybe. I've got it done here. I'm keeping a number of the person whom you can contact below. And I have nothing between, there's nothing like that. Just directly call him, place your orders, and he can make it for you, or you can get it done at your place. How do you like this? Please comment. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,